So my water kettle broke, and I haven't found any resources online for how to disassemble this. This particular model is an Aroma 5-cup 1.2 liter glass. And when I go and turn it on, this light lights up and it pretends like it's about to boil some water and then says just kidding, and it shuts itself off and the light goes out. So something must be wrong with the thermostat. Now, accessing this, there are 3 screws at the bottom. They are these, they look kind of like Phillips screws, but they're 3 prongs instead of 4 prongs. So I did have to buy a bit set, and I used a number 1. A number 2 I think would work as well. And then I ran into this problem. So there's more screws somewhere hidden in here, and after a lot of looking around, I deduced that the screws must be in the handle. So indeed, I was able to take off the handle, and I do see 2 screws at the top, 2 screws at the bottom. This time they are Phillips screws. Now this handle, it doesn't seem to me like they intend for it to be ever disassembled. If that wasn't already clear to you with the funky screws. So there are these clasps. I got a little impatient and I broke them. The clasps at the top, you access them by opening the lid, and I took a flathead screwdriver in there, and I mean these things really don't bend, they don't give at all. The only thing that gives is the clasps on the handles. So hence my brute forcing, but it works, and now I have access to everything that I need. So really what's next is figuring out what on earth is going on with this thing. So here we are. Now, this switch, when it is enabled, it makes contact and completes the circuit. And when it reaches a certain temperature, this thermostat reacts. You'll see it clicks, and that disables the switch and removes the contacts. And yeah, so in this particular case, I believe while there might be something wrong with the thermostat, there's definitely something wrong with the 2 contacts here. Particularly this side looks rather charred up. Unfortunately, I do not have the skill to remove the soldering that's done here in order to access these 2 parts to clean them. So I am calling this a day.